I know it's the arena season is here. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's just get into the video. Here we are in the arena, and we can see the trophies. They look like this. They look very cool, in my opinion. I'm not 100% sure what the gear looks like, but let's see if we can see what it looks like. Okay, so sadly, it's still going to be a very long season, 111 days. So I was correct about the leaks. We are getting Astronaut Gear as the bronze. The gold looks like this is very cool, in my opinion. And then the golds. Oh my gosh, this looks insane. I am actually banned from the arena, so I'm going to see if I can play this. And after that, I will show you the items that you can play with. So let's see if we can battle. Yep, I'm still banned. Very sad. I'm going to go ahead and hack. Okay, so this is very different from other arena seasons. We actually already have the gear and we can put it on. Let's see what it looks like. The cosmic mask looks insane. Guys, do not hack Prodigy. This is just for entertainment, but this looks absolutely insane. This is what the Astro Helmet looks like. So what I'm going to do is go through every single category and show you guys this. So let's go off with the Astro Helmet. There is no air in outer space, so you'll need to wear one of these in order to breathe. Heart bonus of 6, Astronaut Helmet. Very cool, in my opinion. The next one I really like, Galactic Helmet. Heart bonus of 8, so we are stepping it up, I'm pretty sure, last time. So actually, this is surprising. This is a 6, and then the other stuff is an 8 that we have now. But the Galactic Helmet is a heart bonus of 8. It says the sci-fi space helmet filters the air so you breathe, so you will be able to never run out. And then we have the cosmic mask, which looks insane. Heart bonus of 10. It says the alien mask creates a gateway around your head. Any attacks will pass through it instead of hitting your noggin. So yeah, now I'm just going to go on to the outfits that they have. So very odd, you can't get the outfits yet, but you can get the hat, and everything else. Let's look at the ones, which again are cool. Moon hammer. The head of this hammer is made of actual moon rock. You can feel a pull of gravity around it. It does winter's breath. It does a range of 3 and a power bonus of 15. So it's alrightly powerful. Then we have the plasma drill, a tool used for mining asteroids in outer space. Spell ultimate unlimited power, range 3, and power bonus of 15. So the exact same pretty much as the moon hammer, except for a different rarity. And then we have the cosmic sword, power bonus of 20, does splashdown, range of 3, a sword made using alien science. The blade is not physical, it is a gateway into outer space. So now I'm going to go on to the boots. We have the Astro boots, a space boot that is still lightly covered in moon dust. Heart bonus of 6. We have galactic boots. There are magnets on these boots so that the wearer can walk on metal things in space without floating away. And then the final one, the cosmic boots. These boots have jets on them in order to move around in zero gravity. So yeah, the bodies look absolutely insane, which I'm going to show you next. So the first one we are going to look at is the Alien Joyride. This is supposed to be a morph, I'm pretty sure. It's like a spaceship with one of the buddies that they've shown previously, or was in a member box, which I will pull up now. So it's like Blurb flying a rocket ship or an alien ship, which I think is pretty cool. Next, we have my personal favorite, the alien dog. This pup looks like none you've ever seen before. It's out of this world. I love how this looks. Another dog buddy is good, and I love it. Next, we have the first of its kind. We have a monkey, and it says this little chimp is training to go into space someday. Looks absolutely adorable. It looks like this, and I love it. Next, we have the AI bot. I guess this is, I can't tell if that's an I or an L. And it says, this AI helper has many apps and features that you can answer any questions you ask it. So next we have the cosmic ship, which it says it's unclear if this is a toy or if there is a tiny pilot inside flying the thing. I don't like this one very much, but it's still one of the things you can get. And now we are going to go on the items, which there's a fireworks, which I really like. So we have a morph marble for a UFO that looks really cool. I'm trying to be quiet because my parents are doing something. And then also we have the Cosmic Works that says this alien device opens up a gateway into deep space, which allows them to travel from planet to planet. It's also cool to look at. There is no mount, which I'm really sad about. I feel like they could have made a space-themed cloud, like just have this kind of artwork on a cloud. I would think that would be really cool, but now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you use the firework. Okay, so that was actually my first time seeing it. It looks like a nebula or something, and yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I can't really battle in the arena because I'm banned, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Then I might make more videos with this theme, and yeah, bye.